So we had tuna for dinner tonight, and we got this tuna can here, and it smells, yeah, like tuna. And I have this here, this Kitchen Refresh from the stink solution. It's supposed to minimize stinky kitchen odors. So what we're going to do is we're going to try just like spraying it into this tuna can, which, yeah, definitely smells like tuna. So I'm going to put that in there. It's supposed to smell like sugar cookie, and it definitely smells sweet. And you can see it's kind of, I sprayed it in there and stuff, and yeah, I don't smell tuna anymore, that's for sure. Yeah, well, we'll see. Like later on, I'll walk over to it and see if it still smells like sweet or untuned. If it's detuned, then I would say it works. So good stuff. Actually, this is the second opportunity today we've had to use this. The first time a little while ago, we just got it, and I was like, oh, I don't know when we're going to have an opportunity to use this. But earlier today, somebody burnt a foil package in the microwave, not realizing that it was a foil package. And so I went in there, and the microwave was all black and charred and smelled like horrible, just smelled horrible. And I'm like, well, I guess we get a chance to try this. So I sprayed it in there, and within seconds, it did not smell like burnt fire anymore. Still doesn't. It's not. I mean, that was a couple hours ago.
That sweet cookie smell.
It still has a sweet cookie smell, and it's been probably 2 or 3 hours now. So that, and then
did it work on the can?
The can definitely does not smell like tuna anymore.
Oh, it doesn't. Oh, Pippi's going to be upset.
No, it smells like cookies. I mean, it does smell like sweet. It smells sweet like cookies.
Yeah.
So we'll check it again here when we get back from our walk. But yeah, it smells sweet. So
amazing. Good
stuff. I would say it works. Okay. After going for a walk for about a half hour, maybe 40 minutes or so, yep, I came back to the tuna can, and it still smells like sugar cookies. This is good stuff. It actually does a really good job of getting rid of odors. And they sent this to us so that we could show it to you. And I'll tell you what, I'm impressed. It's done a good job on 2 different items today. The fire in the microwave from burning up the foil and scorching the microwave and stuff. And then, of course, the tuna can. So there you go. Good stuff.